Uganda for the first time ever, Craig David presents the Craig David TS5 live in Kampala.
I'm walking away.
Catch Britain's King of R&B performing at the World of Sounds R&B edition, happening on the 29th of August at Sheraton Gardens. Tickets go for 200k silver, 5 million gold table sitting, and 10 million platinum sitting. Get your tickets now at www.quicket.co.ug. Craig David TS5 live in Kampala at the World of Sounds is brought to you by Gigman, Left Media, Noni V, ATS Events, Capital FM, and NBS.